Nice and lovely. I did it before, and I'm gonna do it again. Coconut rice. All right, look at this. Basmati rice. The rice is, let me see, 1 kilo of basmati rice. Yeah, here it is. Just put it out of the pack just now. All right. So, make sure the guys can see. All right, this is the rice. 1 kilo of rice. So it's roughly about quarter pot inside of it. So basically what we need to do now, I need to wash it off. All right. Before I do anything else, I need to wash it off. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do, wash off the rice with some cold water, and I'm gonna show you the amount of water we have in the rice in the pot. Nice and lovely. So basically in this rice today, I just wash off the rice, and I have a little bit of water in the pot. So we're gonna put a roughly about quarter cans of coconut milk inside of it. All right, roughly about quarter can of coconut milk. Lovely. Then we're going to put a little bit of salt. Not much, just a tiny bit of salt. So if it is 1 cup of rice, 1 1/4 cup of water. All right, easier for you to cook basmati rice, very easy. Long grain rice, hard for cook. You can cook coconut rice in a rice cooker, whatever you want to cook it into. It's up to you guys. All right, let's taste it. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so now we're gonna just cover this, and you can put pepper, you can put onion, scallion, thyme. I'm just cooking it simple like this to show you what you can do at home with coconut rice. Look at this when you're finished with it. So the rice, the water is just a little bit over the rice. Tiny little bit, you know, because basmati rice is easy to cook. All right, guys, so enjoy it and stay tuned as we cook basmati rice today. Nice and lovely. Look at that. See that? Beautiful. Let's taste it. Simple coconut rice. Simple coconut rice. Enjoy it. That is finished, guys. I don't even need to cook it no more. I'm just gonna turn off the stove and leave the heat for it to just keep simmering down. But that is finished, done and dusted. And that's what I was talking about. Easy coconut rice to make at home. Enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.